What's up everybody, Kitten right here. So, we have been talking about the Huawei's next generation Mate X2 foldable smartphone for a while now, and today Huawei officially announced it, and we have some high definition pictures of it as well. So yeah, this is the Huawei's next generation foldable Mate X2 phone, and honestly speaking, it's the most perfect foldable phone I have ever seen. Like, it has received a major redesign compared to the original Mate X. So first up, it has a large screen that unfolds from the inside of the device rather than around the outside, which original Mate X had, and that was a huge issue with that phone. But this Mate X2 solved that issue. Anyway, the Mate X2 features an 8-inch OLED panel with 2480 by 2200 resolution and its 90Hz panel. And the most perfect part in this panel is that it doesn't have creases between it. Like, there's no ultra thin glass used in the Huawei Mate X2, but Huawei used a new liquid metal hinge technology which basically minimized the creases between the display to give you a gapless, creaseless and a hole-less design, which is amazing. And you know what? This technology allows the phone to be closed seamlessly without a gap. Huawei even compared it with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and you can see that the Mate X2 is the winner here. Anyway, if you want to use the phone in closed position, you still have a secondary 6.45-inch 90Hz OLED panel as well. And it does have a dual punch hole cameras for selfies. That's why I told you in the beginning, the Mate X2 is the most perfect foldable phone right now. With that being said, if I talk about the cameras of this phone, there are basically 4 cameras on the back, and honestly, I would say Huawei did no compromise in the camera department as well, because it has a 50 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel 3x, an 8 megapixel 10x and a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and it doubles as a macro camera as well. It can even click a 2 cm macro images, which is insane. Here are some camera samples included as well. I know they are marketing images, but you can have a good idea about its camera quality. However, there are some downsides of this smartphone as well. The first thing is that it doesn't come with Google services. It still features an open source Android version, so most of the original Google apps might not work on this device. And it still uses an old Kirin 9000 chipset which was used in the Huawei Mate 40 Pro with 8 GB of RAM plus 256 GB or 512 GB storage. So yeah, that is pretty much it about the phone. What do you think about it? Well, let me know your thoughts about it in the comments down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.